Okay, here's how you mix your peptide. You take your backwater right here and you pop the top, disinfect the cap, the rubber top with alcohol, and then to make it easy, I take an insulin pen that has a 100 unit marker and I'll put the water in here. So press the bottle down. Don't press the needle in, you might break the needle. Press the bottle down, turn it upside down, and then draw out to 100. What I do, I'll go over 100, and I'll just push out the extra. So I'm at 100. And you're gonna pop the top of your peptide with what has the white powder. Always check the bottom. Okay, and then the trick is don't put this directly down. You might explode the peptide, break the peptide bonds. You're gonna put it in the middle like that. And put it in the side. See, it's on the angle. You see, I got it's diagonally going in like that. That way you're not exploding the peptide bonds because the backwater is running to the side of the bottle and draining in to the bottom. See, so it's gently mixing. Now I'm gonna draw it again because most of the time you have to put 2 cc's of bacteriostatic water into this vial. Again, I push the bottle down, see that? And just draw it out. Again, I'll go over the 100 unit. This gets all the bubbles out. And just let it go back to 100. Again, wipe this off. You don't have to wipe it off as soon as you take it off the cap, but once you use it again, wipe it off like that. And then again, you put this in diagonally. I do put it in the center, but look, I'll go like that and then put it in diagonally like that. Then it'll go stream down the side of the bottle and gently. Sometimes you don't have to push because the pressure it'll drain by itself depending how you draw it out. Okay. So I gently push that in. I'm going to reuse this, so don't throw it away. And then see the bottom? It's still not dissolved. See that? So I'll just go gently like this. Gently, don't shake it, you might break the peptide bonds. That. See, it's still not dissolved all the way. You can go like this too, gently roll it back and forth. So it's all dissolved now, see that? It's clear liquid. Oh, I got a spot right there. Here we go. It's clear. So it's ready to draw it again. I'm going to use that same insulin pen. Again, you're going to put it in the center of that rubber stopper, push the vial into the needle like that so it doesn't break the needle. And then I'm going to draw out 100. I go over 100, see that? And push the bubbles out. Go back to 100 line, take it out, and then You take that alcohol swab next to your belly button, pinch your fat, wipe it off. Just jab it real fast, get it over with, and plunge it in real slow. So that's 100 units, which is 1 cc. This is LR3, IGF-1 LR3. So I gotta dump the whole bottle in, which is probably two of these syringefuls. But for thymosin beta 4 that I gave Aaron, I like to just wipe it off with alcohol just in case infection. I like to push the fluid around so it spreads better. Sometimes it gets stuck there. So that's it. If you're using thymosin beta 4 from Can Labs, it's a 10 milligram powder. Again, you're going to put 2 units of this, 2 cc's. You're going to inject 100 units into the belly every 7 days, okay? So 1 bottle will last 2 weeks. Go for it.